Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. Pankaj Aradak, going to present my presentation on formulation of economic production quantity model for deteriorating items with mixed demand pattern and time dependent holding cost. Now, inventory control, it is the most important part in any organization. The organization may be industry, it may be a hospital, it may be an educational institute, or whatever type of organization it may. Everyone has some type of inventory, and to control that particular inventory, it is most important part. So mostly the practitioner has been used two important mathematical tools or two tools to control the economic production quantity. The first will be economic production quantity, that is EPQ models, and second is economic order quantity, that is EOQ model. So by using these two tools effectively, the decision takers can control the inventory. So here in this particular paper, I am going to discuss or I am going to focus on economic production quantity model. In economic production quantity model, the decision has been taken that how much to produce so that the demands can be met at its proper level without shortages. And in economic order quantity models, the decision taker takes the decision regarding how much to order so that the orders from the customers can be fulfilled. This is the major difference between these two. So here in this particular case, I considered only the economic production quantity to control the inventory most effectively. So before moving towards my work, I have certain literature review. I review certain authors, those who have worked in this particular field. Enormous research has been carried out in the field of economic production quantity models, and out of that, I present here some of the views. So to formulate the mathematical model, here I considered certain assumptions. The first assumptions that I have considered here is production rate is known and it is constant. Definitely, to have no shortages, production rate is greater than the demand. Here, the most important parameter that I consider is that, or assumption is that, here whatever demand is present, I considered it as an inventory level dependent demand. Mostly in case of the production time, and the demand becomes constant when the sufficient stocks get built and the production stops. So here uptime, I use this particular word when there will be a inventory rise, that is whenever there is a production takes place. And downtime, it is what the maximum inventory that is reach and the production gets stopped. For that I use this particular term as a downtime.